Welcome to the world of object-oriented programming. In this tutorial, we will explore the fundamentals of classes and objects in programming. Let's start by understanding what a class is. A class is essentially a blueprint for creating objects. It defines a set of attributes and methods that the objects created from the class will have. Now that you know what a class is, let's talk about objects. An object is an instance of a class. When a class is defined, no memory is allocated. But when it is instantiated, or when an object is created, memory is allocated. Each object can have different values for its attributes. Next, let's dive into methods. Methods are functions defined inside a class that describe the behaviors of the objects. They often manipulate the data contained within an object. Methods can be used to perform operations or alter the state of an object.